What's up, guys? Welcome to a fresh new tutorial. Now we are going on a different angle this time around. We are jumping straight into maps, something that I like to do. Okay, so what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about Leaflet JS. Yeah, Leaflet JS. So now, if it's your first time with Leaflet JS, Leaflet JS is an open source um, API platform for building mapping applications. So whether mobile or web mapping applications, Leaflet is great. Leaflet has a whole lot of support for various plugins. It supports various, base maps, and it's the API. It's great. It's in depth. It's well documented, and it's very easy to use. Okay, so now let's log in. Let's. Oh, do I like saying login? Yes, I think I do. So let's head up straight to Leaflet JS. So, okay, so just I think it's Leaflet. Yeah, leafletjs.com and enter. Okay, so this is going to be an introductory video. I'm actually going to take you through the Leaflet interface. I mean, what you can do with it, how you can um, get support, downloads, plugins, blog. Okay, so now that's Leaflet. So the website has a very simple, clear interface, and yes, the interface looks quite simple, but you can do a whole lot of stuff with it, a whole lot of simple to complex sort of applications with Leaflet. Okay, so the current release of Leaflet is Leaflet 1.5.1, and it was released in May. Yeah, so a couple of months ago. Okay, so now just the overview, and we will go through these codes maybe in this video and subsequent videos where I take you through how to set up Leaflet, initialize it, and all the core functionalities of Leaflet. I mean, let me also say this. I don't know, maybe you are new to maps, or you've seen, applications like Uber, some Google applications. I mean, so many applications now are actually using maps. They're actually using location technology. The reason being that I mean, it's easier accessing location information. I mean, it's easier working with location information. I mean, unlike the traditional way when somebody has to give you the name of the place where they are staying before you have to drive or navigate your way around. With mapping applications, the person can share his or her location with you, and you can go ahead and drive or navigate to the place. Okay, so now let's move on to the tutorial session. Click on tutorials, and Leaflet has a couple of tutorials that you can pick up and then start using straight up. So it's kind of like informs you on some of the things that you can do with Leaflet. You know, the various capabilities of Leaflet. Check this out. This is the starter guide, the Hello World example. You can use this as a base when you want to start building an application. You can also check out this Leaflet on mobile, which gives you a mobile interface if you are actually building an application that is supposed to run on mobile. For instance, if it's an app that you want to publish on the Play Store or whatever app store that you want, you can do that. So you can go through the tutorials and use it. I really like this tutorial over here showing video files where Leaflet actually it's able to geocode a video, so it ties a video to a location. You can look at something like weather forecasting, news forecasting, where you give the person the opportunity to be able to visualize what is going on at a particular place by showing this video. Now let's talk about the documentations. I told you that Leaflet, it's greatly documented. Everything that you want to do with Leaflet, you can check out this documentation, and it's broken down. You have map, UI layers, other layers, utility based classes, map methods, raster layers, DOM. If you want to interact with document objects, you can check out some of these functionalities like click event, drag, pan, and then all that. And I also said that Leaflet supports plugins. I'll talk about the plugins in the next two menus. You can check out the download, where you can download the various versions of Leaflet. As I indicated, the current version is Leaflet.1.5.1. You can check out the dev version and then all that. Installing Leaflet is very simple. You can do it on with the CDN. So CDN is Content Delivery Network, which can allow you to easily install Leaflet by just referencing the JavaScript as well as the CSS file. Okay, so plugins. I mean, it's a way to allow you to extend the functionalities of your Leaflet application. You have a lot of contributions on these plugins. Most of them are open source. Leaflet itself is open source, so they are extensions where you can use that have been built and deployed on GitHub. So you basically have to go through the extensions and go to the plugins, go to the plugin, learn how you can use them. And let me also make mention, there's also a Leaflet extension for Esri. So there's something called Esri Leaflet. So where you combine Leaflet with Esri, with ArcGIS, on ArcGIS maps. For those of you that do not know about ArcGIS, ArcGIS is also a provider of maps, and they take it to the next level where they give you tools to build applications. They give you tools to visualize your data. In the office, it's pretty much, cover every area, and they make it very easy for you to build applications. So I'll be doing a whole lot of tutorials also on the developer, API of ArcGIS, building mapping applications with the ArcGIS API for JavaScript. I'll be doing a whole lot of videos, but that's not the core for this video. So lastly, you can check out the Leaflet blog, where announcements on Leaflet it's actually posted. So you notice that the last message actually came May 2019. It's Leaflet. It's not don't really make so much noise, but it's a very powerful tool, a very powerful platform. And in the next videos, in the subsequent videos, I'll show you a whole lot of things that you can do with Leaflet and how to take advantage of Leaflet to actually do a whole lot of things. Okay, so thanks guys for being part of this tutorial. I hope you've learned a lot about Leaflet, and you will join me in my next videos where I take you through building Leaflet applications from scratch and how to use some of the example applications and then extend them. We'll be doing a whole lot of things, like request application, service request application, application to find location, and we'll be combining Leaflet with other platforms like Firebase, Node, and a whole lot of stuff to Google Sheet to collect data and to visualize it. Okay, so if you did like this video, I hope you did. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button to share the video as well. Thank you, and see you in the next videos. Thank you.